Hi, welcome back. So I've got the truck moved to a better location. It's over at my house. A little bit more comfortable than working on it over there in that yard. And I wanted to show you this. Got the head off, obviously, and we had low compression on 3 and 4. Oh, sorry about the finger. 3 and 4, if I recall. And there's some pretty bad scoring on 3, and look, that's the top of the ring right there. So 3 has definitely had some issues. There's a lot of buildup. That's from burning oil in that cylinder. But 4 was looking pretty clean. I'm not sure why 4 had low compression, but 3 definitely. That's oil. Oops, sorry, oil burning. Is it focused? Anyway, it's oil burning, and we had some piston damage. The other sleeves aren't looking real bad, but they're going to be replaced anyway, along with the pistons and rings, because I went all this way. I'm not going all this way and doing it half-assed. One of the things I did before I took the head off was I went ahead and filled it up with water, and dropped the oil pan to check those the seals at the bottom of the sleeves, because let me show you this. I'm gonna climb down. Remember when I pulled the old oil out and it was all, it was thick and syrupy, but it was black. It showed no sign of water entry. So I went ahead and put new oil and new coolant in there. I had to put several gallons of new coolant in there when I first fired this thing up. Couldn't quite reconcile that. There wasn't a coolant puddle under it. There was no sign of coolant in the oil, but it was still very low on coolant. Anyhow, put more coolant in, put fresh oil in, the cheap stuff. Ran it for, I don't know, not even an hour, maybe a half an hour total. And look at the oil I pulled out. Yeah, milkshake. So, that's when I brought it here and dropped the oil pan, just simply with the head still on. I just filled the block right here with water, and it was just like a little rainforest under there. Several of those seals had failed. I mean, more than one, I'll say. So anyway, all those sleeves got to come out, so we'll have a better look at them. But I just wanted to show you what I had so far. We definitely have physical damage on cylinder 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm not seeing anything wrong with cylinder 4. I'm not sure why 4 had low compression. Maybe it had a piston or an injector sleeve that is cracked. We'll look at that more later. And I am not sure how much more I'm going to be able to get done here before it snows. We're mid-November, so we don't have very many more snow-free days left. I'm not interested in working in this in the snow. Certainly not interested in crawling around on my back on the ground in the snow. So we may just put a halt on this until spring. Of course, I've been saying that all along. Anyhow, just wanted to give you that's where we're at. Give you a little update. That's where we're at today. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.